Dallas County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dallas County until 6 p.m. Severe thunderstorm is located just south of downtown Dallas, moving south at 15 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to penny-sized hail. Dallas, Duncanville, Cedar Hill, and surrounding areas are in the path of this storm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southwest Dallas County until 6. A severe thunderstorm located just south of downtown Dallas, moving south at 15 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.